This is a brand new Structural Concepts part number 20-43745. Brand new open front refrigerated unit with enclosed thick glass display case on top. Refrigerator section right down here with the open glass top, or actually reverse opening glass display case. This is brand new, never used. I just took it out of the crate. See the crate back there. Took it out just to get good pictures and a video. Has all the paperwork. Has the additional items down here. That's the tray for inside, the double trays for inside the refrigerated unit. This is brand new, never been out of the case until today. I just wanted to get quick pictures and a video so that I could show exactly what we're selling. We're looking at about 54, just under 54 and a half inches wide from the legs up. We're looking at close to 52 inches. That's with the legs extended. And the total depth, I'm gonna go from right there, trying to do this one-handed, right there back, you're looking at about 34 inches, but you can add a little bit for that sticking out. You also have this flip-up table, the tray type table in the back. I didn't want to disconnect everything, but this pops up to make a table on the back side. It's all brand new, all ready to go, all ready to be put to work. These retail for about $11,000. So we're making a deal. You can arrange your own shipping from West Sacramento, California. You can arrange all your own shipping or come pick it up yourself. This is from a COVID delayed remodel that never happened. So it's been around for a few months. Let me see. 4/11/20 was the date on this. So yeah, early COVID, and it just never was installed. So brand new, made within the last few months, ready to use.